The Harry F. Byrd Senior Visitor Center, located at Shenandoah National Park's northern entrance near Luray, Virginia, serves as a vital hub for visitors. Named after the influential politician who supported the park's creation, the center features exhibits on the park's natural history, an information desk with park rangers, a store with maps and merchandise, and nearby picnic areas. It also hosts educational programs and ranger-led events, providing essential information and amenities for exploring the park. Shenandoah National Park, located in the Blue Ridge Mountains of Virginia, was established in 1935 as a result of efforts by local leaders, including Harry F. Byrd Sr., and support from the federal government during the New Deal era. The park's creation was driven by a vision to preserve the region's stunning landscapes and natural resources amid growing urbanization and logging pressures. Spanning over 200,000 acres, the park features a diverse range of ecosystems, scenic vistas, and historic sites. It became a popular destination for outdoor recreation, offering opportunities for hiking, wildlife viewing, and scenic drives along the iconic Skyline Drive. Over the years, Shenandoah National Park has grown in significance as both a natural refuge and a cultural treasure, attracting millions of visitors each year.
Christ, looks like it was a shorter hike if we just left from the visitor center. Look. That's from the visitor center. This is where we are.
You gotta do the hike, man. Gotta start it.
It was still a hike from the visitor center. And there's Dark Hollow Falls. And it's 70-footer.
Get out that way after we're done. Wait a minute, try next trail we're gonna hit too. We're at Tanner's Ridge Road. Got a little lost on getting here. That seems to be the theme so far, is just getting lost. You think it would be at the Tanner Ridge Overlook. Unfortunately, it's not. So if you're ever looking to do this trail, it is at the Milam's Gap parking lot. You got to start there and then hike yourself up north on the AT. So we're going to do a section hike of the AT.
Another section of hike of the AT.
Yeah, but this one's intentional. The other ones were just kind of, we got lost and ended up on it. So this is an actual intentional hiking of the AT. See you on the trail.
Tanner's Ridge Road in Shenandoah National Park is part of the park's historical and conservation legacy. Developed in the early 20th century as the area was being preserved amid growing concerns over logging and development. Acquired during the 1920s and 1930s, the road was established to provide access to the park's scenic areas and enhance visitor experiences. Named after local settlers in the ridge's geographical features, Tanner's Ridge Road now serves as a key route within the park, leading to hiking trails and viewpoints, and exemplifies the integration of transportation with natural conservation efforts. The Tanner's Ridge Trail, accessible from the Milam Gap parking area in the northern part of Shenandoah National Park, is a 2.9-mile round-trip hike with a moderate difficulty level. Starting from Skyline Drive, the trail features a steady climb with an elevation gain of about 600 feet. It offers scenic views of forests and distant mountains with some rocky sections, so sturdy footwear is advised. The trail provides a peaceful experience away from more crowded areas, with several lookout points offering panoramic vistas of the park's landscape.
Bad like everywhere, unfortunately, today.
What?
They've been bad everywhere we've been today. We're officially on the AT. I've been looking forward to this. I know we've kind of done sections and parts of it by accident, but this one's intentional this time. I'm pretty hyped. We're on Tanner's Ridge Road. Gonna hike up to see some abandoned homestead that hasn't been used on the AT in quite some time. Okay, yeah, you can't beat that.
I wear them all the time to work. I'm not taking the bike.
My ATACs are my Minuteman gear, and they're pretty comfortable. All right, Whether
A-tack is the series of boot I have for the bike.
yeah.
Yeah, it's 511 A-tack 2 or 3 or
Yep.
something like that.
Same one I got.
Of what the first price was when I bought my first pair. So I bought 2 pairs and they sent the wrong one on one of them. And then they sent the right in the black. But I was like, you know what, my other boots are still good. I'll fuck them up on this trip. I'm gonna use these for when the other ones wear out.
There you go.
Because I don't know if the next set's gonna fit me. Oh, stairs. 4 of them. We'll turn it back.
Too late now. You already went down them.
Film in a graveyard?
Yeah.
I don't know about that, buddy.
Why?
A little, I don't know.
So I was under the impression there was a homestead here that's been abandoned. Right now, kind of found a graveyard that.
Well, I guess that's an abandoned homestead, huh?
Yeah, I guess. That's not what I was expecting. Maybe we just didn't go down far enough, but not quite what I was expecting. And it looks like it's fairly recent too. A lot of these gravestones are readable, and you know, it looks like they're new. So I guess it's still used, but you know, let's keep moving forward. Rest in peace.